Welcome to TriHealth on Call. Today we hear how bladder leakage was keeping Terry Pinkston from her two loves, spending time with her grandchildren and working with her husband in their hot dog stand.
It was several years ago when I first noticed that I had a bulge in my vaginal area.
Pelvic floor disorders is sort of a large group that encompasses many different diagnoses.
I pretty much ignored it, but as time went on, I noticed frequency of urination. My husband and I had started a business, and the business required me to do some lifting and moving and bending, and I noticed that the bulge got bigger.
I would say the most common symptom for prolapse is feeling a bulge. A lot of women will say, they were in the shower or they were wiping and they felt something that they'd never felt before. And that's scary at first because you're not sure what it is. So the procedure that Terry had involved a minimally invasive procedure that utilized the robotic system. And what that means for her is she'll have very small incisions on her abdomen. She'll be able to go home from surgery the same day.
Well, I feel more comfortable running around the yard with my grandchildren. I have 12 grandchildren, so I do a lot of running around and lifting. I have no problem with that anymore at all.
So for women who are watching now who might have urinary symptoms or feel a bulge, what I would say is we're very fortunate in Cincinnati to have 4 double board certified urogynecologists right here in TriHealth, serving many different locations within the greater Cincinnati area, and we're all happy to see you and take great care of you.
For more information on treating pelvic floor disorders, go to trihealth.com/women's health.